Hey, chewing them toes. Are you chewing those toes? Are you chewing your toes back there? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi there.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Just
Okay.
waiting for somebody or?
Yeah, my wife just ran in to get baby
so you
food.
actually can't sit in the fire lanes and wait.
Oh, I didn't know. There was like 6 of us sitting here a minute ago.
I wasn't here. If I was here, they'd be gone.
All right, yeah, I'll move.
So the idea is you can pick people up, drop them off, you can load groceries. They just don't want you to sit and wait, and that's all.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All right? Okay.
So do I got to move right now, or? All right.
But what you can do is here you have the option, as long as you're completely past the wall, so down in the dirt,
Yep.
you're okay back there.
Perfect.
As long as you're past the wall. Okay?
Excellent. Thanks a lot, man. You hear that, Nate?